Okay, Forrest. What I'm going to show in this tutorial is exactly how I used to do it, how I used to write the swipes from a technical standpoint, and how I want you to do it. You're going to be logging into this Israeli autoresponder of mine called Responder COIL. It's in Hebrew. So all you got to do is just enter the login details, click this little button in Hebrew, then click on the third tab from the right, then click on the list tab and select podcast, and you're in the broadcast space. Now the weird thing is that it's backwards, right? It's from right to left, but that should not like threaten you, whatever. So let me go ahead and copy a swipe that I already scheduled, and I'll show you how it's done. So first off, the swipes are sent out on the day of the podcast at about 3:30 p.m. my time. So let's just say we're loading. As usual, you're going to be working with the episode plan. So let's just say we're going to load up the episode number. Just again, for the sake of example, episode number 75. Okay. So first and foremost, okay, let me go back. I realized I went too fast. So first, to load a broadcast, you click on this arrow, and then you select the second from the top where it says HTML. So this is the broadcast loading screen. Then you select this little dot right here. Here is where you put the subject line. So let's just say your subject here. And here's where the email goes. Now, the WYSIWYG editor is something you should be able to, you know, understand easily. So again, for the sake of the example, let's just say that's the swipe. It's very short, very brief, okay? So, and you wrote it. Now, next thing you gotta do is you have two links. The call to action in these swipes has two links. Stream episode name on iTunes now and stream episode name on Android now. So for iTunes, it's always the exact same link, which is listbuildinglifestyleshow.com/iTunes. So you just select the link and you click on this little link icon, paste, and click on the blue button. And for the Android, it's the show website. So you go to listbuildinglifestyleshow.com/blog. Okay. And now by the episode plan, it's episode number 75. So what you gotta do is you gotta keep on with the link format and simply change the number at the end. So the episode hasn't been published yet, so when you click on it, you'll have a 404, but by the time this email will go out, it will be live. So this is how you kind of schedule it up front and get away with it. So at the end of this link, you just put the episode number. And you put in, this is for the Android, because Android can't access iTunes. Now make sure that the font is 12 pixels. Now going down, you have this button right here, which is the test button. So you can either send it to yourself or to myself, doesn't matter. Okay, this is the button that sends the email. And here is the date. So what you do is you click, you select the date. This is the month of October. Let's just say the episode is supposed to air on, I don't know, whatever. It's supposed to air on the 31st, for instance. So select the date, the 31st, and then you just click on it a couple times over here to adjust it to 3:30 p.m. Then you just click on this button right here, the second button, the middle button, and this is your email. Now, if you click on this magnifying glass, you'll just see the email. You can click on the link to test it out. And this button right here is a test button, so you can send out a test. And that's where you write the swipe. So I want you to quite literally write the swipe, not in a Word document, but over here. The reason I want you to do that is because, like I said, there's the email swipe and there's the show description. So once you're finished with the swipe, here's what I want you to do. You open up your text editor of choice, and you'll need to create 2 text files. The first text file is going to be the swipe. So you copy the subject line, you type in subject, body, and you quite literally copy the swipe with no links in it. So just the text. The assistant knows to pull the links on her own. And you save it, and you call it IKS, which means Igor Kheifets Show, 075. And this is email copy. Okay, and you save it. Then the description is pretty much the exact same thing, only without the call to action and the signature. So you just copy this part of the email, start a new text file, copy just this, save it as IKS 75 description. When you saved it, you go to Google Drive, and you upload the description into this folder, show description, and you upload the house list email copy into this folder. So quite literally just go into this folder, click on new, file upload, and select the file. And that's pretty much it. Okay, that's what you need to do. Once you're done with these, okay, make sure to mark this with green, and also to let me know so I can go and notify the right people that we're ready to go. So that's how you write the swipes from a technical standpoint. Very easy to do. Let me check if I forgot anything. I have not. So this is it.